everyone. Let me just sort that. Let me just put that up a little bit more. Right, okay. So I'm going to share an idea with you that I use in my own business and that you can apply to your business as well. Now, if you can get samples or even create samples, this is going to be absolutely perfect for you. So I have recently got creative because I understand, especially with my team, there's that barrier to going face to face in a shop. You know, I get it, you know, it's a confidence thing, and I've been doing this for a lot of years now, so I can just go into a shop and say, look, would you know, try some samples, give me a review, blah 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 blah. But I totally get how hard it was at the first time. So I created these little sample reviewer cards because I think if you've got a tool that you can go in, you know, I've done this in marketing and, you know, in my other, you know, in my jobs, was to go in, and I found it easier to approach. So, because I come from like recruitment and all that sort of jazz. So you go in and you say, look, you know, are you on Facebook? Because this is Facebook geared out to be. You could change that to whatever you want to change it to, just from Vistaprint. Matte cards, because in my business I can spray them with perfume as well. So it just simply says, it's got my website on, sample reviews, simply wear the fragrance samples and share them with friends. Feedback your thoughts on my Facebook business page, the link is below sort of thing, and receive £5 off your first order as a thank you for your time and your review. And it has my Facebook page on it there. So guys, you know, it's something that you can adapt. You don't have to give £5 off. You know, that's totally up to you, what you think that you could do for your, you know, what you could afford to do. But yeah, get creative. And this is what they're like. I never even thought to show you these. There, that's them. So I just put 2 samples in a little cellophane envelope that I got off eBay. And that's it. Just hand them out like sweets. Bar staff, restaurant staff, waitresses, in the bingo hall, you know, as they're doing your shopping. Just speak to the person on the till. I've got these in a bag because I've got a big bag. These can actually just, they're nothing in the size of my handbag. And I will just say, you know, are you on Facebook? Would you mind leaving me a review and sampling these products? And I'm giving you a £5 as a thank you. Good luck.